What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Motorola Edge 40 Neo smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the huge Motorola branding, Motorola Edge 40 Neo. The color variant we got is Canal Bay and it is a Pantone color. So Motorola is recently frequently collaborating with Pantone to come up with some stunning color options for their smartphones. This is a plastic-free packaging, so there is no plastic used anywhere on the retail box of Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and the device we got inside comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and out of that 242GB is user available storage. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here it mentions that this packaging comes with plastic free content with recyclable material and it is printed with soy ink. So here we got a SIM card tray, ejector pin, we got some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. And here is a case provided for the back panel and it is of the same color as the device. So this is quite nice for sure. And here on this case we got the Motorola branding, that is 3D textured Motorola, a good company branding, and this case is made from plants and it is made in Sweden. So just like the packaging, this case for the Motorola Edge 40 Neo is also biodegradable. Motorola Edge 40 Neo. Here we got a 68-watt charger with the USB Type-C input, and here we got a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Motorola Edge 40 Neo. The smartphone, 68-watt charger, some quick start guide, user manuals, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a SIM card tray, ejector pin, and a case for the back panel. Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and as I have mentioned, the case is also of the same color as the smartphone we got here. So let's switch on the device and after that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Motorola Edge 40 Neo. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Motorola Edge 40 Neo. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 6.55-inch display with 92% screen to body ratio. So the front side is basically just a screen. The display is curved at the edges and because of that the side bezels are minimal. The bottom bezel is also quite thin and the same goes with the top bezel as well. In the center of the top of the screen, we got this punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Just above it you can see the proximity sensor and there is a tiny slit provided that works as the earpiece as well as the speaker. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, primary microphone, USB Type-C port and the nano SIM card slot. Our review unit comes with a single physical nano SIM card slot and an eSIM. Depending on your region, you might also get a dual nano SIM card slot on your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. At the top we got the secondary microphone, the Dolby Atmos branding. On the left side there is nothing provided and on the right side we got the power key and the volume up and down keys. We got an in-display fingerprint sensor and the device is IP68 certified as well. So this is quite impressive that Motorola is providing IP68 waterproofing in the price segment of Motorola Edge 40 Neo. On the back of the device we got the Motorola branding. At the bottom you can see the Pantone branding along with the name of the color variant of the device. We got the camera module with the same color accent as the back panel. The camera module is coming out of the body of the back panel, and so if you put the device on a flat surface and touch the top left corner of the device, then you can see it will wobble a bit. The plastic frame of Motorola Edge 40 Neo is just like the camera module, also of the same color like the back panel. The back panel is curved on the sides just like the display and because of that the frame looks quite thin. The back panel of the Moto Edge 40 Neo comes with faux leather finish and because of that it looks quite premium and beautiful, and the rubber-like faux leather finish also provides very solid grip while holding the device in hand. And another thing contributing in the grip of the device is the curved edges of the back panel as well as of the display. The display of the Motorola Edge 40 Neo is protected by the NEG T2X7 glass. The back panel of the Canal Bay color variant of Motorola Edge 40 Neo is really beautiful, unique and eye-catching. The other two color options of Motorola Edge 40 Neo are the Soothing Sea and the Black Beauty. Just like the Canal Bay, the Soothing Sea color variant of Motorola Edge 40 Neo also comes with the fall leather finish on the back and the same colored and the matching colors on the frame and on the camera module, while the Black Beauty variant comes with acrylic finish on the back and it shines and shimmers a bit, as you can see here, but compared to the other two variants it is a bit slippery because of the acrylic finish on the back panel. All of these three color variants of Motorola Edge 40 Neo come with the Pantone color and they are quite beautiful and eye-catching for sure. So in terms of design and build quality, Motorola Edge 40 Neo is a very premium smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with huge screen to body ratio with curved display, in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 water resistance and gorgeous eye-catching Pantone colors. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.55-inch POLED display with 1 billion color reproduction, 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution with 92% screen to body ratio, support for HDR10+, 1300 nits maximum peak brightness and 144Hz refresh rate. The PPI you will get on Motorola Edge 40 Neo is 402, and because of that the display is really sharp. The colors are vibrant and you won't see any pixelation even if I bring the display so close to the camera. Because of the curved edges, the display looks beautiful, provides an immersive viewing experience and looks quite premium as well. Motorola provides you the option to select between the 60Hz, 120Hz, 144Hz or auto that caps at 120Hz once again. At 154Hz you can see that the display is super smooth and you will have a great viewing experience on this device for sure. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 1300 nits, so you won't face any issue in using the device in bright sunny outdoors. In the manual mode, it can go as high as around 600 nits, and that's quite solid for indoor usage. In terms of hardware specs, we got MediaTek Dimensity 7030 processor, 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. There is another variant of the device that comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And then we got an in-display fingerprint sensor, 5000 mAh battery with 68W charging. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 13, very much similar to the stock Android with a touch of customization. So this is the home screen we got here. You can see we got plenty of Google applications. We got the Motorola settings where you will get all of the options and settings that Motorola provides to improve your productivity and have a customized experience on your device. And as you can see, we got plenty of them here for sure. So even though the appearance is very much similar to the stock Android, you get plenty of customized options here as well while using the Motorola Edge 40 Neo. So you will be able to do various customization to improve your productivity on Motorola Edge 40 Neo. It also comes with Motorola's Ready For feature that allows you to connect your phone to your computer or tablet to have a seamless user experience on multiple devices. Now talking about the camera, Motorola Edge 40 Neo comes with 32MP front-facing camera with HDR capability, and it is capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 30fps. On the back we got dual camera setup where you will find a 50MP primary camera with multi-directional face detection autofocus, optical image stabilization, and it can also record 4K resolution videos up to 30fps. And then the second camera we got here is a 13MP ultra wide angle lens that can also record macro images. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see we got the toggle for ultra wide angle lens, we got the 2x digital zoom here, it comes with auto night vision, we got the timer, aspect ratio. If you go to video, you can see that we can record 4K resolution videos up to 30fps and Full HD video up to 60fps. It comes with stabilization as well, and we got the slow motion video recording option that can record Full HD resolution videos up to 120fps or 240fps videos at 720 HD resolution. We got the portrait mode, that is the combination of the beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the pro mode where you can manually control all of the settings And if you go to more, you can see that it comes with spot color, night vision, panorama, 50 megapixel, ultra resolution imaging mode. We got the scan dual capture that uses the front and rear camera at the very same time. We got the photo booth, time lapse, spot color, and once again dual capture. So as you can see, we got plenty of features and options in the camera app of Motorola Edge 40 Neo. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our future videos. Right now, I just wanted to give you a quick idea about the options, settings and features we got here. And since it comes with Dolby Atmos powered stereo speaker setup, let's check the speaker quality as well. So the speaker is pretty loud and the audio output is looking quite nice as well, as it comes with good amount of bass and clear audio at higher volume level. So at the first glance, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo is looking one of the best smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with huge screen to body ratio, a beautiful HDR10 plus POLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits maximum peak brightness. The curved edges look beautiful and premium. We got Dolby Atmos powered stereo speaker setup and eSIM that you will rarely find on other smartphones in this price segment, and the same goes with the IP68 water resistance on this device. It comes with beautiful eye-catching Pantone colors that once again you won't find on other smartphones, and the 68-watt charging is one of the fastest in its price segment as well. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Motorola Edge 40 Neo are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.